How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option connections. Now click on connections and then here you can see the option flight mode. Now here you can turn on or off your flight mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back and scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on factory data reset. Now scroll down and click on reset. Factory data reset, it will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.